Hello, good evening everyone, and kumana gabi na I will present to you our project, which is the title is Making Guyabano Source of Jam with Collagen. And this is a livelihood project that will be implemented from April 21 to April 23, 2025 in our place, Barangay Buto, Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. And this project will be funded personally by me with a total of budget of 1,915. Then the beneficiary, of course, are not the family members, relatives, and consumers. Our partner include local suppliers and here our professional cook who will help us to ensure the food quality. Now we're going to talk about the objectives or the goal of this project. So the goal of this project is to create a healthy, affordable jam using local ingredients with helping with the family members and gaining new skills. So we have 5 objectives here. We have 5 specific objectives to attain in the project, and this includes to produce 5 containers of healthy, affordable Guyabano jam with collagen, and to make the whole family enjoy a delicious jam anytime. Then to utilize local fruit and ingredients in a sustainable way. And lastly, to promote basic practical skills among family members. And next, to guide the activities, we will use the 4D model, which stands for define it, design it, do it, and develop it. First, we will define the goals and targeted beneficiaries. Ang define na nako. Second, we will design the plan, materials, and roles of every one of us. Tapos, third, we will do the production through sourcing, preparing, cooking, and bottling of the jam. And finally, we will develop by evaluating the product and gathering the feedback and documenting, of course, the result. Then, in addition, we were going to apply the waterfall methodology by following a clear step-by-step process where each phase must be finished before moving to the next. Then this will help us, this methodology will help us organize the project properly from start to finish. From planning, sourcing, preparation, production, quality checking, to reporting. And by the end of the project, we will aim to produce 5 containers of Guyabano jam with collagen and promote the practical livelihood skills among family members. And yeah, thank you very much for listening, and I am now open to any questions or any suggestions you can imply to me for the improvement of our project.